Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Reyes. We are going to be on page 37 of your Go Math in lesson 1.7, the top right hand corner, problem solving. So everyone turn to page 37 and I'm going to read the essential question. How does finding a pattern help you find all the ways to show a number with tens and ones? So we're going to be looking for a pattern. Oops, can never seem to get my pen to work. Okay, so we're going to be looking for a pattern, okay? So Gail needs to buy 32 pencils. She can buy single pencils or boxes of 10 pencils. What are all the different ways Gail can buy 32 pencils? So I'm going to read one more time. So Gail needs to buy 32 pencils. She could buy single pencils or she could buy boxes of 10 pencils. What are all the different ways Gail can buy 32 pencils? So what do I need to find? Go ahead and trace over ways Gail can buy 32 pencils. And what information do I need to use? She could buy single pencils or boxes of 10 pencils. So go ahead and trace that over right now before we get started. Show how to solve the problem. Draw a quick picture for 32 to complete the chart. So here we have box of 10. So here's our 3 tens and our 2 ones. So let's go ahead and write 2. And here's our 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and our 2 ones. The next row, we have 2 boxes and 12 singles. So they took a 10 over here and they gave it to the ones. So I'm going to put 12 right there. And here's my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I hope yours is neater than mine. Mine's really hard to draw on the computer. Okay, so the third row, we have 1 box. And remember, we're going to be taking that 10 and bringing it over here. So this is going to get bigger by 22. 22. So here's my 110 and my 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 15, 20, and 22. Oh, I hope yours is neater than mine, okay? And the last row, we have 0 boxes of 10 pencils and 32. So you need to make 32. I'm not going to do 32 because I am not neat with this. So you guys can do that. Okay, we're going to go to the top of page 38. Try another problem. So we're on number 1, and I'm going to read it. Sarah has 36 crayons. She can pack them in boxes of 10 crayons or as single crayons. What are all the ways Sarah can pack the crayons? So let's read it one more time. So Sarah has 36 crayons. She could pack them in boxes of 10 crayons or as single crayons. How many different ways can she pack them? And here they've already started the columns for us. So we have 3 tens and 6 ones, okay? I'm going to take one of the 10s away, make this 2 tens, and give that 10 over here to my single right here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. It's still 36, okay? These are all going to equal 36. I'm going to take one more 10 away, make this a 1, and bring that 10 over to my single crayons. That's 26. And remember, they all have to equal 36. And 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3. 3 tens plus 6 is 36. And in my last one, I'm going to take this last 10 and make it a 0 and have 36 single. Okay, let's try another problem. Number 2 on page 38. Mr. Winter is putting away 48 chairs. He can put away the chairs in stacks of 10 or as single chairs. What are all the ways Mr. Winter can put away the chairs? Okay, so we're going to read it one more time. Mr. Winter is putting away 48 chairs. So that's our number. Everything has to equal 48 over here. 48. Okay. He can do stacks of 10 or a single. Here they started it for us. So here is our first 4 stacks of 4 tens. I don't like that 4. I'm going to erase it. Okay, I'm going to do it nice and neat. I'm trying to do it as nice and neat as I can. 4. Okay, and 8 singles. Okay, I'm going to take 1 10 away and make it 3. And I'm going to bring that 10 over here to my single, and that 8 is going to turn into 18. And it's still going to equal 48. 3 tens plus 1 10 is 40 tens. Okay, on my third row, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 1 10 away, and it's going to be 2. And that 10 is going to come over here to my single, and that's going to be 28. It's still going to equal 48. 2 tens plus 2 tens is 40, and 8 ones. Okay, and my fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth one, let me erase that here. I'm going to take 1 more 10 away. It's going to be 1 10, and that 10 is going to come over here to this column, and it's going to be 38. You guys see I hope you see the pattern. I take one from here, it comes over here. I take another one, it comes over here. It's all going to equal 48. I'm going to take my last 10. 1 take away 1 is 0. That 10 is going to come over to this column, and it's going to be 38. Remember, we're looking for a pattern. Okay, let's go to page 39 to share and show. Find a pattern to solve. Remember, you're always going to read your word problems at least 2 times. Philip is putting 25 markers into a bag. He can put the markers in the bag as bundles of 10 or as single markers. What are all the ways that Philip can put the markers in the bag? Okay, let's go ahead and read it one more time. So Philip is putting 25 markers into a bag. He can put the markers away in bundles of 10 or as single markers. So whatever we do, it has to equal what? It has to equal 25. So how many 10s can I take out of that 25? I can take 2 10s away, and that's going to leave me 5 single markers. Okay. I'm going to take 1 10. That's going to be 1 10, and bring that 10 over here, and that's going to be 15. And then I'm going to take my last 10. It's going to be 0, and it's going to come over here, and it's going to be 25. And they all equal 25. Number 4. Stickers are sold in packs of 10 or as single stickers. Miss Ellen wants to buy 33 stickers. What are all the ways she can buy the stickers? So let's read it one more time. Stickers are sold in packs of 10 or as single stickers. Miss Ellen wants to buy 33 stickers. What are all the ways she could buy 33 stickers? So whatever we do, it has to add 33 in this column down here. So how many 10s do I have in 33? I have 3 10s and 3 1s. There's my 33. Okay, I'm going to take 1 10 away. This is going to be 2, and I'm going to bring my 10 over here, and that's going to be 13. Let's see if you can finish the rest of the pattern. I hope you got it right. You're going to take 1 10 away. This is going to be 1. And that 10 is going to come over here to the single one, and it's going to be 23. And then I'm going to take my last 10 away. It's going to be 0 10s and all 1s, 33. Number 5, think smarter. Devin has 32 baseball cards. He gets 7 more cards. He can pack them in boxes of 10 cards or as single cards. What are all the ways Devin can sort the cards? If you have a smartphone, you can, when you're at home, you can take your camera and you can look at this Q code, and it'll bring you to another video. Unfortunately, I don't have that on this computer. So let's read it one more time. Devin has 32 baseball cards. He gets 7 more baseball cards. So how many do I have already? So 32 plus 7. We need to get a total first. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So he has 39 baseball cards. Everything has to be down 39 down here. He can pack them in boxes of 10 or a single. So how many 10s and how many ones do I have? I have to start with that. I have 3 10s and 9 ones. So 3 10s and 9 ones. Now I'm going to take a 10 from here and bring it to this column because we're making a pattern. So this is going to become 2 10s and 19 ones. And let's have you finish it. This should be 1 10, 29 ones, and 0 10s, and 39 ones. Okay, we're on page 40 on your own. Solve, draw, or write to explain. Okay, so remember, we're always looking for a pattern. Look for structure. Lee can pack her toys, cars, in boxes of 10 or a single cars. Which of these is a way that she can pack 24 toy cars? Circle your answer. So let's read that one more time. Lee can pack her toy cars in boxes of 10 or single cars. Which of these is a way that she can pack 24 toy cars? I'm going to come over here and make my little T-chart like this. It's got to be 24, and this is my 10s and my 1s, and I know she can do 2 10s and 4 1s. She can go 1 10 and 14 ones, or she can go no 10s and 24 ones, just like we did before. So now I know which ones I can look for. 4 boxes of 10 cars and 2 single cars. Do I have that over here? Wow, 4 boxes of 10, that's 40 plus 2. Oh no, that's not it. Let's look at this one. 1 box of 10 cars, 1 box of 10 cars, and then 24 single cars. Does that make sense? Well, that's a lot too. That's like 34. Nope. What about 2 boxes of 10 cars? 2 boxes, that's 20 plus, look at, I have 2 boxes of 10 plus 4 single right here. Oh, that's it right there. Okay, we're on the bottom of page 40. Mr. Link, needs 30 cups. He could buy them in packs of 10 cups or a single cups. What are all the different ways that he can buy the cups? Find the pattern and solve. So let's look at it one more time. Mr. Link needs 30 cups. He has to have 30 cups, right? And he can have a pack of 10 or a single. So we're going to go over here. So how many packs of 30 would we have? We had 3 packs of 10 with 0 single. Okay. The next row, I'm going to take 1 away. So he would have 2 packs of 10 and 10 single cups. Because remember, it has to equal 30. That would be 20 plus 10 would be 30. Okay, I'm going to take 1 more 10 away. That would be 1 10 and 20 single cups. And then 0 packs of 10 in all single cups. Okay. Choose 2 of the ways from the chart. Explain how these 2 ways show the same number of cups. So how did they chose? Because they all, I'm going to take the first one and the last one. So 3 packs of 10 equals 30, and 3 single equal 30. Okay, your homework tonight is pages 40A and B. Okay, remember, we're doing this lesson, so if you get stuck on something, you can look at this lesson and it will help you. Remember, we're looking for a pattern. We're taking 1 10 away and adding it to a single. That's our pattern.